Come on, youngster, where was he on that? That's your side.
Love to see this. Hi, GoPro.
I've actually got a YouTube channel and I ain't throwing anything on it. I've been playing with all the other social media.
Okay.
I wanted to get a whole bunch of good, yeah, so I wanted to get a whole bunch of good content.
Oh, yeah.
Criswell from Hollister, Missouri, in his 2002 Firebird.
Jumping in here, guys. Yeah, it's my nephew in the car right there, dude.
How are we gonna do this? Are you you gonna talk to the guy while we look at the thing, or what?
And you guys can check out the car. Yes.
And Zeke, grab the socket set and everything out of the toolbox.
Well, we might just check it out.
Yeah, just check it out.
He thought it was
All good here for the moment? Yeah.
Yeah, dude, make yourself fucking useless. It's only just standing around in the cold.
Yeah, you're good. Show my boy that I'm loading the car for him. Why you're fucking on the shit.
Cut it this way, Caleb. Yeah, keep bringing it. Caleb, bring it your way a little bit more. Oh, never mind.
Oh, get out of that. You good? It's gonna do what's gonna do.
Yeah, she'll guide herself up on there.
There you go.
Keep her coming.
It's steady. Well, thanks to Tyler, we have our donor for the dirt track car. Thanks to Tyler's dad, we got it loaded. Took a couple tries and a tractor, but we got it, dude. We got it. It's time to start slinging some dirt. All right, till next time. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa. And we're on the road. Rock and roll. Well, we made it home. We got her here. Now I think dragging it off right up in here. Get the old 89 camo F-150 all fired up. We're gonna use it to drag the El Camino off the back of my truck. Can't really see it out that. Oh, I gotta go ahead one. Oh yeah. Okay, run up through. Just put it back on.
Whoa. Whoa.
God.
Yeah, where's it hung up at?
Bumper.
Oh, man.
What was that blow?
It was hung up on the bumper.
Okay, I was wondering, did it rip the bumper off? Damn it.
Probably.
Oh, that's right here. Okay. That ain't no thing. We need to now hook a chain to the fucking trailer and yank the trailer to the side. I guess, right? And then the El Camino can stay right there. Let's get it unhooked. And then we'll hook the truck up to right there. We'll pull the trailer that way just a little bit, and then I'll pull the trailer out from under it.
And that's gonna roll, ain't it?
Huh?
It's gonna roll, ain't it?
No, the rear end's locked up. That's why we had to drag it off. But go ahead and put it in park. Reach in there and put it in park for me. Because now once we drag the trailer over just a little bit, we'll pull it right out. Make sure it's in park. Okay.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Whoa! God.
Is it over on that side now? The boring stuff. And then you go drop the trailer. You get I know I still got all my straps and everything are all still just. Huh?
Where's it at?
Where's what?
The jump pack.
It's in Zeke's truck.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna say, hey, we need to let's church this up a little bit and get that closed in. We're gonna have to clean this out in the morning. I love you. All right, well, we gotta clean up our mess, and it is officially off of the trailer. So, there's an El Camino. We'll get some pictures of it in the morning, in the daylight. I'm gonna go park the trailer down by the pond. Y'all have a good one. Ooh. Nope, let it be. Let it be.
Fucking rusted fucking hell's fucking.
Hey, we got
No,
hooked
it
chain
might.
up.
It might.
Hey. Let it be. No, chop your toes off. That's what you're going to do. You're going to lose some digits, is what you're going to do.
Fire.
Alright, well I can't see the fuck where I'm turning, so.
Well,
Praise hell, praise hell.
yeah, hopefully Zeke's going to keep us in line is the idea.
Tell him to hold on.
Hold on. Hold on. Caleb's piddling with his phone.
My ass!
He's piddling. Vice grips the steering wheel, huh? You know, I've got that other steering wheel in my truck. You could probably put that on there and then vice grip it down. Bullshit. Vice grip it down.
Send it!
Okay. Okay, go straight, Caleb. Go straight.
What?
Go straight.
I'm fucking trying!
Yeah. Turn it to the right a little bit, actually. The right, dumbass. All right, now straight. Keep going. Keep going. No, Caleb, keep it straight. Hey, there you go. Well.
Alright! You ride that with a pair of freaking bicycle?
Fucking right.
Caleb, I got like the cleanest little shitty roller of this thing.
Hey! Look at my building!
Put this motherfucker back in the woods.
Put it back in the woods. Well, I made it up here, so we're here. Right? Yay! Alright, easy on the hood. Unbolt it. Take it off. This is a fresh front clip. Fresh front clip. Look at it. Fresh front clip.
I wish the motor was fresh.
Well, we're
And
gonna
not
make the motor
fucking-
fresh. We'll start by
Well,
taking
tied
it
up
off.
hog's ass. You couldn't even pack that simple unseized if you want.
Well, even if it's seized up, we still need.
That's because there's tools out here.
No, I picked them all up.
Finally.
They're all back in the shop. I ain't picking them back up because I ain't touching them
What you
yet.
got? Taking the motor out of that one?
Ah!
Oh, dude, that air filter still got like 100,000 miles on it. Whoa. Wait, is it? Caleb, it's got orange. It's got a. The bolt's still in there.
I know, I had to bend it back so I could fucking fit my fat ass under here.
Everything should line up. Everything should line up pretty good.
Yeah, should just swap right over.
I mean, we're gonna pull it. I'm gonna get a rebuild kit. I was looking at specs and shit. Yeah, you got to keep it stock. You can't like really pump it up. I know people do. I'm sure.
You can't put an RV camera in
No,
there.
you're supposed to keep it. We're running pure stock. We're not running modified.
So what are you gonna do? Just pull it apart and redo the rings and all that?
And that's gone.
That's so fucked, dude. That means every single bolt on this thing is gonna be the exact same fucking way,
Yep.
no matter what.
Well, you better start.
This thing's older
You
than
need
my
to hit it
truck,
with the
man.
hammer. Oh, hey, go grab. I got you.
Hey, look. Hey, I was just working on my truck the other day. So here's some PV bus.
Yeah, hold on.
Here, Caleb.
Thank God. Shit probably ain't even gonna work a damn.
Well, since
That's it.
1957, the car's from 73, so. Oh my god.
Dang, that is deep. That is thick. That ain't even want to move, bro. That is thick.
Here you go, more Zeke. Alright, Zeke, you come over here.
Yeah, you're probably gonna have to grab some handfuls of some of that shit.
Alright, that works for what I'm looking for. Well, Zeke, there's about 9 other ratchets in there.
Nope.
Nope, why not?
Because if I turn a wrench tonight, it's going to be on my truck and it's going to be the distributor.
Well, I am curious. Yeah, it'll be firing way
Fucking
good.
pussy.
Fuck you.
I thought you replaced that shit when you got that hunk of junk.
No, I had to sit. I know. I pulled over to the country mart parking lot. You came out with 2 slabs of fried fish, 8-piece order of chicken tenders,
It's a
family
2-piece
size
order, you
potatoes.
fucking idiot.
That sounds pretty good.
There's one scoop of everything.
That's how we like it, right? One scoop of everything.
Not like Zeke.
How small that fucking belt is.
Alright, let's find a fucking hammer. Hammer time.
Hammer time.
Get something to break loose here. Look out for your fingers. There you go. Go ahead and break her off there.
Is that hay and stuff?
Yeah. Check them
That's-
threads out.
That's a
Oh
rat-
shit. Well,
That's a
never mind.
rat's nest.
Lost
Yeah.
that, huh?
That's
Giant.
Never mind.
fucking hay.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it is. Playing that, Taylor. Playing that,
Yeah,
yeah.
they had that
It's
as
a rope.
Yeah, they had it tied up and must have been running the choke or something in the cab.
Oh
That's a little
my
rope right there, and
goodness.
that's the choke.
Yeah, that's a rope.
That's wild.
Yep.
I was
That's
like,
a
wait,
rope.
that's not the throttle.
No,
That's
I
on the
seen that
wrong
the other
side.
night. Yeah, dude.
That's
There's
crazy.
There's no way they were pulling the throttle back.
That's
Inside the
wild.
cab, fucking whiskey throwing out some bitch
Yeah,
dropping
the choke
somewhere.
makes sense, though.
Man, that's crazy setup.
I'm ready to see what the inside of this fucking.
What does it look like? No, it's probably not one too great. Does it have oil? We didn't check the oil in it, did we?
No, but your dad said there's no oil in it, so.
Well, we might just get lucky. We need to keep these though. I'm sure the Malibu will come with them.
Yeah. Okay, now.
Good.
As much as possible, you know. Yeah, well, dinner date. Me and the wifey been together 20 years. No, we've been married 20 years.
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
So it's anniversary day. It was
Uh-huh.
dinner day, dog.
Yeah.
Come home and the youngsters are out here working on the truck,
Yep.
the car.
Heck
We're
yeah.
supposed to be here.
All right, so obviously ain't got the race car in the yard yet.
No, dude, I was wondering
Yeah.
about that when I woke up. I was like, what the fuck's the race car out here?
It
Yeah.
will be here tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It will be here tomorrow, and I have more surprises.
What do you
Heck
mean more
yeah.
surprises?
I've got surprises, but we will
Some
deal
more.
with that tomorrow.
Excuse me.
Some more.
More surprises.
Yeah.
More surprises.
I will let you in on the surprise tomorrow.
Heck yeah.
You know what I mean? After
yeah.
it happens.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
But we do know that we're getting a race car.
Yeah.
Easy. So we gotta use that factory intake, and we gotta use 2 barrel carb. Don't strip it.
Do what?
Get a breaker bar.
So we gotta use the 2 barrel intake, I
That's what
believe.
I'd have, Caleb. I'd use the fucking breaker bar on everything, dude. It's all gonna
Yeah,
be
get you a
rusty.
taller extension, so you're up above that carb.
You used to sit up on the
Here you go.
breaker bar
Here you go.
right there.
Do that real good right there. Do that down there, and then keep it level, so you don't strip it. Keep it level. Broke it.
Yeah, bro.
Broke it.
Yeah.
That's
Damn
okay,
it.
Son
dude.
of a bitch, man. That thing is on there.
Yeah,
That's what happens. That's what happens.
Boom.
Is we break shit around here, boys.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
that's why she sees, dude.
What are you breaking now? What?
Oh my gosh.
She's got some fucking shit down
Like
there.
actual fucking clear residue here.
That's like a bunch of milk.
Dang.
No, it's all over everybody.
No,
You guys
try
are
not to
welcome.
let any of that fall in there, though.
What is the blue stuff?
We're
It's
gonna
a
go down
gasket.
for a ways.
What?
Well, I
That's
mean,
weird.
the way that motor looks, it's probably been sitting for.
Hey, either
20
way, it's
fucking
getting
years.
rebuilt kit. All we need
For
is
sure.
the box, for sure. That's it.
Hey, just so you know, the race car comes with a transmission now.
Really?
Yep. So we'll have
What
two.
the fuck?
We'll have 2 350 turbos.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
yeah, dude, let's fucking go.
Heck
We
yeah.
need this out.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm all pretty. Went on dinner date, but I did go by and and looked at the race car. I did touch it today.
Just so you know, I
How
did,
was it?
Yeah.
I did touch
I
it.
went and saw it.
It was good. It was good. I seen it. I rubbed
So
it.
it's worth a shot?
Oh, it's worth the whole shot.